Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, you will learn how to fix buzzing, static or crackling noise on the HyperX Cloud II headset.
Fix 1. Reconnect the USB sound card. Step 1. Unplug the HyperX USB sound card from your PC. Step 2. Wait 10 seconds and plug it back in firmly. Fix 2. Try a different USB port. Step 1. Remove the headset USB. Step 2. Plug it into another USB port, preferably a rear port. Fix 3. Lower microphone boost. Step 1. Right click the speaker icon sounds. Step 2. Go to recording microphone properties. Step 3. Reduce mic boost and click OK. Fix 4. Disable audio enhancements. Step 1. Open sound settings, more sound settings. Step 2. Select your headset properties enhancements. Step 3. Check disable all enhancements and apply. Fix 5. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Step 2. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Step 3. Update or uninstall the driver. Then restart PC.